We're unboxing something and you guys don't even know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
What do you think it is?
A toy. Yeah, it has to be a toy.
Why does it have to be a toy?
But it's something that's really famous right now.
Oh, maybe. Okay, are we ready to check it out?
Yep. Okay, Fallon. It's a rainbow card! I told you it was something that was really popular right now. And what's that? A bunch of balloons. Self-sealing party balloons.
What? That's
Okay.
new.
What else?
Let me see that up close, because that's new. Ooh, it has a pump. Wow, we can use that for your party.
Okay, let's see what else. There's
awesome.
Eggy. There's a bunch of balloons. There's 4.
Wow. What are we going to do with all these balloons, Fallon?
Blow them up so we can have our pigeon party.
Oh, yes, we are going to have a pigeon party in a couple weeks, so.
But we can blow some up right now.
That's perfect. We will have to test it out. What did you get, Fallon? Let's check it out. You're way too close. I can't see anything.
Sequin surprise.
Rainbow corn, sequin surprise. What?
Can we open it?
Yes.
And there's even a little boo-boo corn. Boo-boo corn. I like boo-boo corns. Here. Oh. Here. I'll open the package and you can see what it is. Boo-boo corn. Oh, look. It says pull here. A boo-boo corn pull here. Is like a baby unicorn thing. There we go.
Let's see what it is.
Open it. It has orange corn. So it has to be.
I think she may be a little bit excited about it.
Can we read it? Oh, okay. No, now you gotta open the bottom. Because there's like sealing. So I think we're gonna need some help for the sealing. Yeah, we're gonna need some sealing. Daddy? Please?
Sure thing.
Okay, in the meantime, show me what's up with those the bunch of balloons.
Look, there's even different ways. You attack, fail, and then decorate.
Attack?
Yeah. What? Oh no, attack. I thought I had a K. Attack. 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 If you just want to do 1, there's a little slot for 1. If you want to do 2, there's a little slot for 2. If you want to do a bunch at a time, you get to do a bunch with the bunch of balloons.
Oh, that's what it is. It all comes together and you blow it up all at the same time?
Yeah, and then it goes.
That's
and then
awesome.
When it's done, it comes off. Okay, there.
I love it. Okay,
Now back
let's
to
check
our
this one
daily
out.
scheduled program. Okay, let's see what we got.
Open it.
Oh, look, it's a clip.
Oh, so cute.
And let's see what we got.
Oh,
We got cherries. We got cherries. Wait, let's look at our boo-boo corn. Boo-boo corn? There's a boo-boo corn and it's connected to the bottom. It's an ombre boo-boo corn. Let's see which one we got. Okay. So, we got our ombre. Oh, we got one of the boo-boo unicorns. Look. We got the boo-boo unicorn. It has little wings too.
That is so cute. Does the heart go on it?
Yeah, the heart goes on it. It clips to the rainbow corn, and it also you can wear it in your hair.
That's a little bit big for your head,
The boo-boo
but it looks cute.
The boo-boo corn. We're gonna have a lot of fun this spring break. Yep, we are.
It's perfect timing.
It just stopped
We're
raining.
definitely going to have to test out the bunch of balloons.
Look. Okay, let's see. Yep, clips. And it's a sequin changing clip too. It's a boo-boo unicorn. There's
That's so
all the
cute.
rainbow corns. It comes like this.
Let's close it.
Reveal it.
Look, it comes in a little eggie.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
That's huge.
That is
I feel it,
ginormous.
But this is so cute.
Look, it's a pencil topper. It's a
Okay,
pencil
so let's
top.
see what we got.
It's a pencil top.
So we got a bunch of balloons, self-sealing party balloons. You know what? You don't have to blow them or tie them. And tying them always
Oh.
hurts my fingers.
Yes.
Always. So this is going to be awesome.
I just found out what
40-inch balloons in 40 seconds? What? Oh, no. 40 in 40 seconds. Not inches. I clearly do not know how to read. It includes 24 balloons. And it works with their pump or with the pump that you get in the store. Pretty awesome. I can't wait to try this out, guys.
Mom.
So this is brand new.
brand. I told you something else.
It's brand new. And really, really awesome. So our friends at Zuru Toys sent this to you.
Thank you, Zuru Toys.
Thank you.
Isn't it awesome?
Yeah.
And I just figured out which rainbow corn we got. We got Pixie.
Hello.
Okay, so I want you guys to tell everyone thank you from Zuru Toys. And we'll have to put up an Instagram story when we blow them up so we can see how it works.
Yep.
All right.
Thank you, Zuru Toys.
Thank you.
Now, let's see how the bunch of balloons work.
Okay, so Noe, show us what to do.
Okay, so the first thing is you have to set the number of ones you're doing, and then you have to set it right there so that it actually blows into the tubes. And then this button right here, you gotta push it. Ready? Let's see. Whoa! This is awesome! This is so cool!
Make sure they don't get too big so they don't pop. This is awesome.
No, they undo themselves. There.
Okay, you think that's enough?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we normally blow up balloons?
With our mouth? Yes.
Or
Oh,
we
and
just
it's
do one at a
disgusting.
time and it takes forever. This is awesome.
And it's disgusting because then people are going to touch the bottom of the balloons.
Seriously.
Yeah, we just take them off of the streets and then we tie them.
This is awesome. We're going to do this for the next party because you just blew all those balloons up really fast.
In like 40 seconds.
Wow.
It says you can blow up 40 of them in 40 seconds.
That's true. Wow, look how many are there already. And they're already on the strings. You don't have to tie them because that always hurts my fingers.
And you don't have to tie the ribbon as long as you can. They're already tied for you.
That's so cool. Do you want to blow up the other bunch?
Yeah!
Okay,
let's get this one off.
I'll do that one.
And you know what else? It has an adapter, so if you have helium, you can use the helium tank with the adapter, and you can blow them up with that too. So cool.
And Mom, even when you take it off, it doesn't release any air.
That's
Ready
awesome.
for the next one?
Okay, is it on good?
Yep.
Yeah! We're actually have a bunch of balloons.
Ah! It's good stuff.
There we go. We're back on track, people. There, hold it down more.
You think they're good?
Yeah, they're good.
Fallon, you just blew up all those balloons by yourself.
Usually she can't blow a balloon and tie it by herself.
How was that?
Good. That was awesome.
Do you want to do more of these? Not right now, but for your party?
Yeah.
What? So
And the wind's blowing. Let's go.
That was pretty awesome. So let's tell them a little bit about Bunch of Balloons.
Okay. So
They're kind of fun to make.
They are really fun.
and
Where can people get them?
at bunchofballoons.com
No,
or
bunchofballoonsparty.com.
Party. And You can also get them at Walmart in May.
In May. These will be available at Walmart. They are super cool. I've never seen anyone blow up balloons that fast before. Okay, here's what the box looks like. It comes with the pump and the adapters.
What is this
It also came with those balloons that the girls are carrying, so 2 little things. And then they have these refills.
Party packs.
Party packs. And they're all different colors. I think they have like a gold, black, and white one too, which is cool.
More of them. You can get more than one.
Yeah, you can get tons of them for your next party. Instead of paying for somebody to blow up balloons for you, you can do them yourself super fast.
When I take these streaks
Just
off,
buy
I'm gonna tie
bunch
them.
of balloons.
And you can stick them to stuff. You can tie them to stuff.
No. I'll try this.
Not to the wall.
Oh, thank
But that's pretty awesome. Okay, so we want to thank Zuru Toys for sending us these because that was
It doesn't blow.
so nice.
It doesn't blow away.
That's because you're holding them.
No, they don't blow away when we go like this.
Oh, you know why? Because there's no helium.
So
But
it's
if we
just
blew
regular
them
air?
up with helium, then they would fly away.
I really thought they would fly
But
away.
these are
Like,
perfect.
Look.
Yeah. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so I want you to say thank you.
Thank you!
Because it was very nice of them to send us this. And we're definitely using them for our next party, huh?
Yeah. Uh-huh. And that's really soon.
It is really soon. All right. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye!